In this video, I'm gonna show you how I've made over $10,000 per month with over 96% profit completely remotely. My name's Fred, and if it's the first time we meet, I basically come from the low middle class, but I've managed to make up to $2,600 in profit in a single day selling info products. And my goal with this channel is to help 9-to-5 employees, coaches, consultants, agency owners who don't want to sell their time for more money and instead monetize their knowledge, their passion, etc. into info products. The first thing I want you to understand is that right now, most likely, you are falling for all the shiny objects all the gurus are promoting, instead of simply selling your knowledge or your passion. Because on social media, you will see 1,000 different gurus telling you that you should do so many different business models. Some people will tell you should do dropshipping, you should do some AI automation thing, you should start an SMMA, you should do day trading, you should do this, you should do that. And most people, especially beginners, they're constantly watching so much content on the best ways to make money online, etc. But they don't really ever start. Or if they start, they pick subpar business models like selling e-commerce products, physical products, instead of selling info products and keeping an 85% to 95% profit. Because with physical products, like, the profits are very tiny, 5 to 20% if you really optimize everything. It's not that much. And what all the business gurus have in common is that they all sell an info product, a course, a monthly membership. And right now, whether it's your job or your business, you already have knowledge, you already have skills or a skill that you're currently using, and you get paid for your time, for doing the work for someone else. But instead, you could just teach others how to do it themselves and have a lot more fun, a lot more fulfillment, and make a lot more money. If I take my personal example, back in 2022, I was doing services for agency owners, coaches, consultants, mainly agencies, and basically what I was doing is helping them to book more sales calls with their ideal customers. And that worked, because it's a service in high demand. They need more booked calls if they want to close more deals. That's how it works in a high ticket. But because I only had control over one variable of the business, like, sometimes it would work to help them make more money, but sometimes it wouldn't. Because if I book them more appointments but their offer is shit, or they don't know how to close, or they don't know how to retain customers, then they weren't gonna make more money and they were gonna blame me for it, even though I did my part of the job. And then the other downside of doing done-for-you work is that you have clients who just don't respect your boundaries. They call you at midnight and expect you to just be there and show up all the fucking time. So they call you at midnight, you answer them because you're so dependent on them for money, and then you sleep like shit because they killed your sleep. So then your work capacity decreases, your work is less good, and so now people get pissed because the quality of your work is decreased because of them. Like, do you see how nuts that is? And you can't really scale it. Like, if you want to scale a done-for-you service, you need this massive team, and then your profits just shrink. So it's like there's kind of no point in scaling it unless you really love that thing. So right now, yes, you've got knowledge or a skill that you could monetize, turn into an info product, a course. You just don't realize it yet. Or maybe you do, but you have limiting beliefs. You think that whatever it is that you do, you can't sell it as a course. Yes, you could. And let's say worst case scenario, you really had no knowledge, no skill you could monetize right now. Well, we just build a product on anything. You just have to pick something. Now look, this is a free YouTube video. It's meant for literally everyone. So I can only help you so much. If you really want to be able to start or grow your current business, you need somebody to help you one-on-one, to look at your situation and tell you what you're doing right, but also what you're doing wrong and how to fix it. So if you want me to personally help you to start or scale a high-ticket info product business, just click the link below this video and book a free one-to-one strategy call with me. Now, obviously, I don't think I need to tell you that I have limited time per day, just like everyone, so I can't be taking hundreds of calls per day or even per month. So if you want to get the opportunity to speak with me for free, I suggest you go and book that call right now before the spots are taken. Because I don't know for how long I'm going to be offering these free one-to-one calls. To sell info products / digital products successfully and profitably, there's only really 4 steps we need to follow. Step 1 is to have an offer. You need the right offer put in front of the right people. Because if you have the right offer, but you try to sell it to the wrong people, it's like trying to sell meat to vegans. It doesn't mean that people will not buy meat or that they don't want it. It means just not vegans. Other people want it. You gotta sell it to other people. The second step is traffic. You could have the best offer in the world, your service is awesome, but if not a single soul knows that you or your product exists, you're not gonna make any money. Or you're gonna be very, very stuck when it comes to how much money you make, which is not a good place to be in. Then after that, we need a sales mechanism. How are we going to sell the course exactly? Do we send people straight to a sales page? Do we take a sales call with them? Do we put people through a webinar presentation, which is basically a 30-minute to 2-hour long presentation, and then we sell them the product? Well, honestly, all three of these methods work, but they depend on what you sell and who you sell it to. Like, not every sales mechanism is going to work with every offer. You need to have the right offer, the right way to get traffic, but also the right sales mechanism. And I kind of forgot to say this earlier, but for traffic, there's only two real ways to promote your course and get traffic. One, you make simple long-form YouTube videos exactly like this video I'm recording for you right now. The advantage of doing this is that you're gonna get customers without spending any money on ads. Not to mention that the people who come from your content, they're warm leads, meaning they already kind of trust you, like you, so they're the easiest people to work with and close. And the other way is to run paid ads. The best platform to do this is Meta ads, so that's Facebook and Instagram. But typically, I always suggest people start with making free content. Because if you can't get any sales from content and you're getting visibility, well, clearly the offer is the problem. Like, you're not selling the right thing or you're not marketing it properly. So again, as you can see, like, there's so many different variables. Yes, it's 4 simple steps, but inside these steps, you need to follow a process correctly. Otherwise, the slightest thing can fuck up your business because you don't know what you don't know. So again, when you're done watching this, click the link in the description below, book your free one-to-one strategy call with me, and I'll see if I can help you start or scale your info product business. So now that we have an offer, a source of traffic, or multiple sources of traffic ideally, and we know the right sales mechanism to use for our offer specifically, well, comes delivery. That's step 4. And that is the easiest part of the process. You make a course one time, and then people get access to it. And what I like to do is, on top of that, you give people one weekly group coaching call with you. That way you can literally have 10 customers, 100 customers, or even more. And you don't have to spend more hours on calls with people. If you want to do some one-to-one work as well and charge even more for that, then that's completely fair. But for a lot of people, they appreciate the group calls. And it's incredibly fun and incredibly scalable. Because right now you are the authority figure. So when you show up on that call, the weekly group call, it's fun. Like, honestly, it is fun. You just answer people's questions. They make you feel important because, they want answers from you. It is fun to do. Like, it is not a chore at all. But what's really important to do, either way, no matter your offer, no matter what you sell, is to sell it before you build it. If you sell something high ticket, which I highly recommend for most people because you get more money in the bank quicker than if you sell low ticket stuff, like inexpensive stuff. On average, high ticket offers are priced between $3,000 all the way to $20,000 plus. But a real good high ticket offer, it's going to be $5K to $10K. I'm sure you can see how much easier it is to make, let's say, $100,000 if you charge $5K to $10K, as opposed to if you charge $49. It's easier to get less sales than more sales, even if it's cheaper sales. So either way, whether you do high ticket, low ticket, you want to sell it before you build it. With high ticket, it's easier to do that because you go on sales calls and you don't start building the course or anything until somebody purchases. Whereas if you do low ticket and you send people straight to a sales page, you need to have some content in there. Otherwise, nobody's going to buy, or people are going to buy it, think you scam them, and just automatically ask for a refund. So you do want to have some content if you do low ticket, which is basically a minimum viable product. You don't need 10 hours of content. You should not have 10 hours of content. Maybe just a few hours of content, like 2-3 hours. And then as you see members coming in, you tell them, hey, what do you want to learn? What do you want to do? And you just make what they want. Instead of spending months in your room, in your office, just thinking that, oh, people want this, you build this elaborate course which has 25 hours of content or 100 hours of content, and then nobody purchases it because that's not what they actually want. At the end of the day, you got to give the market exactly what it wants. And the way you know what it wants is by talking to the market. That's why sales calls are also extremely valuable, because even when somebody does not purchase, you get to learn about your market. You get to learn what kind of people buy and what kind of people don't buy, and then you can spot these people fairly easily. So if you do high ticket, what I suggest is, again, you go on the calls, you close some people, and for the first 5 people, you actually do one-to-one work. Why? Because you're going to gather so much data on your ideal customer avatar, because these people paid you between 3K to 20K. So they are the kind of people you want to get more of. So you want to get more people like them, which is why you need to understand everything about them, their psychology, etc. And it's fun to do. It is not a chore, I promise you. And then, with them, you do weekly live group calls or one-to-one calls. First, you can use the recordings as the course, but then during your spare time, actually build the course based on what people need, what gets them results, and how your thing works, basically. I mean, even with low ticket, you do have an option to actually sell it before you build it. So instead of having a minimum viable product, you tell people it's going to be a 6-week live bootcamp, for example. Now look, this is a free YouTube video. It's meant for literally everyone. So I can only help you so much. If you really want to be able to start or grow your current business, you need somebody to help you one-on-one, to look at your situation and tell you what you're doing right, but also what you're doing wrong and how to fix it. So if you want me to personally help you to start or scale a high-ticket info product business, just click the link below this video and book a free one-to-one strategy call with me. Now, obviously, I don't think I need to tell you that I have limited time per day, just like everyone, so I can't be taking hundreds of calls per day or even per month. So if you want to get the opportunity to speak with me for free, I suggest you go and book that call right now before the spots are taken, because I don't know for how long I'm going to be offering these free one-to-one calls. Now, ideally, I'm going to tell you, you don't ever just want to do low ticket, because it is more difficult, because you need all these different systems, etc. And like, if you spend, for example, $1,000 on ads, it's easier to get a sell at like 2K and you've made 1K profit. Because if you do, let's say, spend $1,000 on ads, you might make in your first month $300, $400, $600, even $700 from low ticket, unless you sell more things after. There's such a thing called a front-end product and a back-end product. The front-end product is the first thing people buy from you. The back-end product or products, it's things that existing customers buy after, like upsells basically. So ideally, if you do low ticket first, you want to eventually upsell people into something more expensive, something high ticket. Because that way, it's actually a genius business model. You get sales for cheap, you get tons of paying customers, etc. You get monthly recurring revenue, you build this community, you can be an authority and be respected in the space if you crave that kind of status, but also you sell high ticket to these people, so they're not like cold strangers from Facebook ads that don't know you, they don't trust you, they think your testimonials are fake if you have them, so they're much easier to close. I love doing warm sales calls with warm prospects because I can close 30% to 50% sometimes, whereas with cold ads, half the people show up to the call first, and then out of the people who show up, they trust you less, they don't buy, they throw objections, it's a lot more difficult. And I know that can be scary to do for a lot of people, but sometimes this is what's going to work best for you. So again, as you can see, there's so many subtleties, so many different things you can do. Which is why, again, if you want me to help you figure all this shit out, just book your free call in the link in the description below after you're done watching this. And finally, what I really want you to understand is that you don't need to have a big audience to make good money. I know some people, they don't want to start making content because they think it's too difficult, it's going to take too long to get results, and I'm not going to bullshit you. Content is slower than ads. Obviously, ads are faster. That's just how things work. Because ads, you pay money, you get results. That's it. With content, you pay with your time. And the downside of content is that the algorithms, they're looking for entertainment content really. Because most people on the platform, they just watch entertainment. So the algorithm sees that if a person just watches the video until the end, the longer they watch, the more they click, etc., like the more they click on your videos, then the more it recommends your channel. But when you do education, not everybody's going to watch until the end. It's not a video with explosions every 2 seconds and an editing every 2 seconds, because these people don't necessarily buy stuff, especially not educational programs. So it is slower to get going, because the algorithm rewards entertainment content more than educational content really. However, like I said, if you don't do content, you're missing out on like tens of thousands of dollars, which are so easy to make and close. There's no reason not to do it. Not to mention that when you go to ads, a lot of people will just Google you. And if you don't have any kind of social media presence, a lot of people will think you are a scam. Like seriously. Now again, when I say that, you don't have to make daily videos like I do. I do it because I want to and because I can. I've got the time. But if you don't want to make daily videos, you don't have to. One video a week targeting your ideal customer avatar is more than enough. But just to give you some numbers, I had my first $997 day or sale when I only had 800 subs on YouTube. And I had my first $2,600 day in profit when I had around 5K subs on YouTube. So when you make content, remember, you don't want to make content to attract people who want to be entertained. You want to make content to educate the prospects that could potentially buy your stuff in your niche. That's it. And if you're just going to do content and you don't get that much visibility, forget about low ticket for now. Like if you do ads to low ticket, okay, fine, that might work. But like if you just rely on content and you don't get many views, just sell high ticket from the get-go. because one sale will move the needle a lot more than one sale at $50 with low ticket. There's honestly never been a better time to sell info products than right now. So you need to stop watching so much free content and just take action. If you want me to help you personally, show you how you can start or scale these kinds of info product businesses, click the link below in the description or in the pinned comment and book your free one-to-one strategy call with me before all the spots are taken. Again, I've got limited time. I love doing this, but I can't take 100 calls a day. So first come, first serve. With that said, book that free call and I will see you on the call.